Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in case you haven't noticed, this Moses, aka Tom Speeches and Jerry, break it down. So today we are on VIX 75 on X. Okay, so I want to analyze the chart from the lower time frame, from the highest time frame to the lowest time frame. Okay, this is 1 day candlestick. Okay, 1 day candlestick. So we're analyzing the chart from 1 day candlestick till 1 minute candlestick. So we're gonna be breaking it down. Okay, so on the 1 day candlestick, we want to spot maybe we have any support or any resistance candlestick, but this trend shows it's a real downtrend. Okay, this market shows it's a real downtrend. So since the market is a downtrend, we'll be looking for an opportunity to sell. Okay, so I'm gonna put my pipeline here. Okay, in case the market is coming up, those places will be support and resistance zone. How do I know it's going to be support and resistance zone? Because the candlesticks mostly close at those edges. Okay, the closest are those edges. Now let's go to lower time frame now, like 4 hours time frame again. Okay, you see what I'm saying? You see it there? So those are key support and key resistance point. So when the market is coming, those are the places the market is going to retouch. Okay, so those are one of it. Now we're gonna go to 1 hour time frame, and in this 1 hour time frame, what are we gonna be putting there? Well, that's when our Fibonacci comes in. Okay, our Fibonacci. Yeah. So we want to locate where the impulsive move started. Okay, so yeah, is our Fibonacci. I don't know why this thing isn't clicking. Okay, now that's our Fibonacci on 1 hour time frame. Now let's go to 15-minute time frame. So we're breaking down this market little by little. Okay, in the 15-minute time frame, we'll be marking key levels. Okay, key levels are areas of former support and resistance zone. That place is a key level. Can you see that? Why do I call it a key level? You see the market making little rejection there, then break it, then came back to form a resistance. So those are future key levels. Okay, so that's a key level. So when the market is coming, you know that this place will be a good place to sell. Okay, because it's a resistance. So you just know that down. You know it down. So let's go to 5-minute time frame. Okay, here's 5-minute time frame. Here's a 5 minutes time frame. Now let's draw the trend. Okay. Remember, this market is a downtrend. Okay, remember it's a downtrend, and we're looking for a place to sell, a better place to sell. So this market is changing its trend. Now you can see that it's changing its trend from downtrend to uptrend. Okay, now you see that it's changing its trend to downtrend to uptrend. Look at this. This is the resistance. This is the support. Okay, it's trying to change its trend. So how do I know this market is changing trend? So if you want to know when market changes trend, what will happen is this market is showing that it's a downtrend and it's creating lower low, lower low. Then the lowest low, the market must engulf it. Okay, then come back to retest the lowest low, then break it up again. Then that simply means it's a good trend, a strong trend. Look at this place. Okay, that's the key support, and the lowest low, 80s. Okay, at this spot. So the market retest at that zone, yeah, then came back to touch the support, then went up. So that simply means the market is changing trend. On getting to this place, you see it broke the lowest low. It broke it. So that simply means it's totally changing trend, and that's why we drew our support and resistance here. This is the resistance and this is the support. So this market, we're looking for a better place to sell. Okay, a better place to sell. We won't be going against the trend. So this market, we will need to wait. But if we keep waiting, the market is gonna it will take a lot of time, and this video is gonna be too long. Okay, it's gonna be too long. So let's just keep marking key levels. Okay, key levels. Okay, that when the market gets to, it's gonna react. Now let's break it down to the lower time frame to check out more key levels. Okay, now look at this spot at the lower time frame. This spot, the market start reacting at that port. So that simply means it's a major key level of resistance port. Okay, so if the market eventually breaks this resistance, this resistance over here, this resistance, and get to this key level. So you can easily buy, but I told you I'm looking for a place to sell. We're not buying. We're looking for a place to sell. So that's how to break down the market from the lowest time frame to the highest time frame. Okay. So all I need to do in this kind of setting is to wait for this market to either break down, touch the support, then I'll buy, or get to this resistance and I'll sell. Now you see the market coming down. It's coming down to touch the support. Can you see the candlestick? Maybe we even make it a live trade. If it breaks this resistance zone and comes down there, can you see one touching this resistance is starting to go up, go up? It doesn't want to break it down. Maybe we'll make it a live trade, probably. So let's just keep watching. If this video isn't gonna be too long, okay? Let's just keep watching what the market is gonna do, because I already want to place a trade right in your presence. I just want it to get to this spot. On getting to this spot, I'm gonna buy. Okay, I'm gonna buy. The market expecting to touch the resistance. I'm getting the resistance. I'm gonna sell because already marked my key levels already. So let's just keep on waiting. So I am so sorry if these videos might be too long. So I'm expecting it to break it down to come to this zone because it's a key level. Remember the key level? Yeah, so a lot of consolidation. So that simply means it's a key level, a support level. So let's just keep waiting. Let's keep waiting. Okay, you see, the market reacting a lot of time in there. So there's a lot of reaction. So in the near future, if this break this resistance zone or get in there, we're gonna buy. Okay, so let's just keep waiting. Let's keep waiting. If this video isn't gonna be too long, let's keep waiting. Let's just hope the market, answer our calls. The way I'm saying it, the market isn't responding well. I don't know why. It isn't responding well. There isn't enough momentum in the markets, okay? There isn't enough. So maybe, probably, I'm going to close this video. I really want to make it a live trading video. But it's going to be a long time. So I'm so sorry about that. I am so sorry. I really want to make it a live trading. So let's just see what this candlestick do. After this candlestick, so this place is causing the issue. You know why? Because the place is once a key level. But I just hope the market gets to that spot. Okay. Before I close this, I really want to make it a live trading video. I want to make it a live trade. Perhaps you see how we break down the market. We break it down from 1 day time frame down to 1 minute time frame, okay, including the Fibonacci, okay, using the Fibonacci. Here's the Fibonacci. You see this Fibonacci level, okay, the 50 level and the 61 levels, those are the two strongest levels. So if this market is gonna go up, this 50 and 61 are your strongest level that you'll be marking. Okay, now let's go back to a trade to check out what the market is doing. Let's check it out. The way I see it, this market is not reacting well. There isn't enough momentum, okay? So it's gonna make this video too long. It's gonna make it too long. I'm expecting the market to get to this spot. I just wish you get to it, okay? Because I want to make it a live trading. I don't like taking trade blindly. I don't like it. I don't like taking trade blindly. I want key levels. This trend is generally a downtrend. But on the lower time frame, it has changed the trend to an uptrend. Okay. Now it's coming back to touch the key level. Okay. So there are two options in there. Either when the market gets there and you see an engulf candlestick, you buy. Okay. Or you let the market break this place. Once it broke it, you wait for a retest. Then you sell. So either of the two. So, but in this market, I hope it gets to this spot and I'm going to buy. Though it's a downtrend, but I hope it gets to this spot because there's something called order block. So probably we're going to be talking about that order block in the next video. So I just pray you guys are still with me. So please do me a favor, without further ado, kindly like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I really love that. I so much appreciate it. I work myself out to make a lot of videos, nice videos that guys can get value in. But people, they don't react, they don't subscribe. It doesn't encourage me. So please, please, please do me that favor. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will so much encourage me. Okay. So now it's breaking this little support that I place there. I'm expecting it to get to this spot. So I just wish the market get there. I want to make it a live trading, okay? A live trading video. I just want to, but there isn't enough momentum. I don't know why. Push down, please. This support, the market went up. That's one of the lowest low, highest low or whatsoever. And once making the support on getting there, came back to test it, but I'm expecting it to break it because it came back. So it will probably break it down and come down it. So on the normal ground, I told you I'm looking for a place to sell, but this shows it to very strong key level. So I'm gonna buy whenever the market get there. I just wish to. Ah man, I'm getting sick and tired of this. There isn't enough momentum in the market. I wish a giant bearish candlestick just moved down there. Then I'll just look for an engulf candlestick or three white scrolls or probably maybe a pin bar. You know, we will talk about candlestick in our next video as well. Please, please react. I don't know what is going on. I am so sorry. Maybe I'll probably close the video right now because the market is not it's ranging. It's just ranging at this spot. I want the market to do more than that. The ranging market, I don't like it. So please, please also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. While we're waiting for this market to get to this zone, I will really like you to click on that subscribe button below. Please click on it. It won't take you anything to do so. Please, please, please click on the subscribe button. I so much appreciate it. Okay, now we're seeing a good bearish engulf candlestick. Please, come on. The momentum is very slow. The impulsive move isn't that strong. Please. So I think I will have to close this trade. Close this video rather. The market is not reacting well. So when I'm not told you I don't like trading ranging market. Okay, so I'm expecting it to break it down and get to this spot, but it's not reacting. I want to make it a live trading video. But if you see this, you can follow it up. Okay, thank you for that.